What's up guys, welcome to another Jackelboi Customs shoe video. Today we're going to be customizing a pair of Nike Dunks into an MF Doom style design. I'm going to take you guys through the entire experience now. I'm about to go to my school to see what's up with the 3D printer, but make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram. You can buy this pair on my website or you can DM me for a different custom design on my Instagram. Let's get straight into it.
Hey yo, y'all can't stand right here. In his right hand was your man's worst nightmare. Loud enough to burst his right eardrum close range. The game is not only dangerous, but it's most strange.
We just got on campus, but right now we're about to be at the classroom. I'll update you guys there.
Classical slapstick rappers need chapstick. A lot of them sound like they in a talent show, so I give them something to remember like the Alamo. Tally-ho, a hot joker like Space Game. Came back from 5 years lane and stayed the same. Electromagnetic field, it blocks all logic. Spock and G-Shock's a biological clock. When I hit it, slid it to the shit, I thought I killed a goose. Her power use was pure brittle water filter juice. Keep a pen like a fiend, keep a pipe with him.
So guys, this is a resin printer. So as you can see, this is the resin, which is liquid. So this stuff basically hardens when UV light is passed through it, and it's going to build it on this top platform. So there's a laser underneath here that's going to spray through the resin and harden onto this plate, and basically the laser is going to go through and do its individual layer every time it goes through the resin, and that's going to stick to this plate up here. And then the plate's going to slowly move up as it makes more and more layers, and then it's going to build it. So that's basically how it works. Alright guys, the print is fully finished. As you can see, it printed upside down. You can kind of start to see the mask. But these are the supports that allow it to be built at an angle. And then this is the spikes that I made. One of them did not come out. As you can see, that's the small one. And right now we're going to take this tray out, and then we're going to take the build off and put it in some isopropyl alcohol, and that way all the sticky resin will become solidified.
Sound like they in a talent show, so I give them something to remember like the Alamo. Tally-ho, high joker like Space Game. Came back from 5 years lane, stayed the same. Electromagnetic field will block all logic. Spock and G-Shock, a biological clock. When I hit it, slid it to the shit, I thought I killed a goose. Her power use was pure brittle water filter juice. Keep a pen like a fiend, keep a pipe with him. Gentleman who lent a pen to a friend who write with him. Never seen the shit again, but he's still my dunny. Only thing that come between us is krill and money. We sell rhymes like dimes. The one who mostly keep cash but tell about the broke times. In your arms tonight, she reflects that she owes you. So nasty that it's probably somewhat of a travesty having me. Then he told the people, you can call me your majesty. Keep your battery charged, he know it won't stick, yo. And it's not his fault you kick slow. Should've let your trick hold your sick glow. Plus nobody couldn't do nothing once he let the brick go. And you know I know that's a bunch of snow. The beat is so butter. Peep the slow cutter as he utter the calm flow. Don't talk about my mom, yo. Sometimes he rhyme quick, sometimes he rhyme slow, or vice versa. Whip up a slice of nice verse pie, hit it on the first try. Villain, the worst guy. Spot hot tracks like spot a pair of fat asses. Shots of the scotch from out the square shot glasses. And he won't stop till he got the masses, and show them what they know now through flows of hot molasses. Do it like the robot to headspin to boogaloo. Took a few minutes to convince the average boogaboo. It's ugly, like look at you, it's a damn shame. Just remember all caps when you spell the man name. And you know it like a poet, like Baby Doll. I bet she tried to say she gave me her all. She played ball. All bets off, the villain got the dice rigged. And they say he accosted the man with the sliced wig. Allegedly, the investigation is still ongoing. In this pesky nation, he got the best con flowing. The pot doubles, now they really got troubles. Madman never go like snot bubbles.